Hello, wonderful people. Welcome back to Making Money with AI. So, today I have a gem for all my viewers from Africa. The Asia too is part, yeah. Asia, um, yes, and maybe the US. Okay, let me say that way. I don't want to give you false informations, okay? So, this job is mainly popular in Africa, in Asia. Okay, so I've known this job since 2018. Okay, so Toloka is not a new thing, just that they don't have that popularity like Telos and CrowdGen. So in today's video, I'm going to introduce all my viewers to Toloka Yandex. Okay, so if you know this particular browser, Yandex, okay, I think it's a Russian um browser. Okay, it's for Russians, but they've opened it to the world, and I think they have branches in other countries. Yeah. So if you know Yandex, okay, Yandex is just like Google, but for Russians. Okay. Now Yandex has introduced their own um how do I say this? Like you see Google introduced search quality rater. Okay, they introduced rater hub, which is used to collect data. Data sourcing from their users or for people that they pay for them to work with Google. Okay, so let me explain what Toloka is about and how we can use it to earn money. Okay, so Toloka, which is formerly part of Yandex, as I said, is part of Yandex. It's a global crowdsourcing and data annotation platform used to train AI models. So as I was saying, just like Google introduced Reta Hub, which is used to train their AI models, the same way the Yandex browser also introduced Toloka, which is used to what collect data from their users and use it to train their data model. Okay, so you can have all sorts of jobs in Toloka, it being data annotation, um, all the jobs that we have done on Telos, CrownGen, all these jobs are in Toloka. Okay, just that Toyota is a little bit restricted from a lot of open source jobs. Do you understand? So what we are getting like Google, we don't get it like Rita Hub. We not get it from Toloka because of these Russia restrictions and stuff. There are sanctions that they have put on Russia, and but there are still jobs on Toloka. Okay, why am I saying this? Because I have an account. I have an account on Toloka. So if you know about UHRS has been an ancient job. It has been there since Telos, Lion Gates. You understand? So if you apply for the or if you join Toloka, you are going to get access to the UHRS. Yes, immediately, not like you wait for a while. No, immediately. And they also have side jobs that you can do. You know, as I said, that these people want to collect more data for their for their Yandex browser. So you see here that they're giving me another new project that I can do. They want me to start, and I want to know what the project is about so that you know. Okay, so I've joined the project. So in case there is okay, so they said please wait, tax will appear soon. So if the tax appear, I mean that I can what? I can perform this task and then earn money. Okay. Now I don't want to take you through the registrations now because the registration is not something that is difficult to do. Okay, so this one says that it pays 80 cents per tax. Okay. At first, I saw a lot of tax here. I saw a lot of tax here, but I didn't pay much attention to them. Okay. But for anyone in Nigeria, in Ghana, in Kenya who wants a side hustle, okay, who wants to make money online, Toloka is the best option for you because Toloka, you're not
If
going
you are new to the channel, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and leave a comment below to let me know your thoughts.
because Toloka, you're not going to use any VPN. Okay, you're not going to use any VPN, any proxy, nothing. You just log in and then sign up and then start working. So now people are asking, how do I get paid? Okay, let me take you to their payment method so that you learn about how they pay their workers. Okay, so now Toloka accepts these two payment methods, mainly Pioneer. Okay, this is for different country. Maybe if you are from a different country, okay, I don't know. Okay, let me see. This is a different payment platform. From which country? From Toronto, London. Okay, so if you also have this particular fintech, you can also take your money from there. And I don't know if it is suitable for Africans. That's what I'm trying to check. Okay, it's from the Netherlands. That's the allocation. Okay, but I don't know if Africans can, sign up for them. That's what I'm not sure. Okay, so mainly, as I'm saying, mainly is Pioneer. Okay, so just sign up for Pioneer, use your Ghana card or Nigeria card, do your Pioneer, registration and everything. Then you just add it to your what? Your add it to your Toloka. Okay. So the minimum withdrawal is $20. Okay, that's how much um you can withdraw. That's accepted to be withdrawn. Okay. You need to have $20 before you can withdraw your money. Okay. Yes. So that's what I'm saying. That's what I wanted to talk to you about. So if you are interested in these Toloka jobs, just try and then try your hands on it, and then let's see what's going to happen. And then if you face any difficulties, please, you know where to contact me in my group. Okay, in my WhatsApp group. Just go in my WhatsApp group, post it there if you have a problem, and ask people, and they will help you out. Now, I was trying to make registration for the Toloka, but it seems I already have an account there. I'm sure it seems I already have an account with Toloka. I have a couple accounts here, so I was trying to use a different number so that I'll take you through the registration process. Okay. So now this how this Toloka thing works. Okay. So when you begin the registration, they are going to ask you to log in. So let me give you the login options so that you know which one is suitable for you. Okay, so uh, I'm coming. So yeah, that's how you can get. I even forgot to tell you. So if you want to access, or if you want to access the Toloka platform, so you go to Google and then just type for Toloka AI. Okay. Now, when you see it here, you just look for earn money. Okay. Then you click on it. So it will take you to their platform for making money. So you go to register. You go to register. Okay. So as I'm saying that I have an account. So this is the email of the account, and I was trying to log in the account there. So I don't know if I remember the logins that I used here. I just want you guys to be exposed to the registration process so that the next time or maybe if somebody is trying to get access to the Toloka, it will be easier. Yes. So as I was saying, don't expect like millions and thousands of dollars from this kind of job. No, these jobs are there to. I mean, they are good, but not like uh, crazy. You understand? Somebody's expecting like millions from this job. No, especially please. I don't want to be how do I say it? I don't want to be too specific on people, but especially my Nigerian brothers, please. Um, if you are watching my video, okay, and the video is not satisfying what you need, please do not think that my videos are useless, okay? Because I saw someone comment in one of my videos that my videos are useless. I was like, yeah, I understand because it is not satisfying what you need. You need some of you. I'm not saying all. Some of you need a video that is going to give you I don't know fast money or like money that you can easily get um um fake IDs using fake IDs to get jobs. Like, sorry, there are rules and regulations in posting YouTube videos. I've gotten several of my videos um, removed or restricted, all because I just wanted to satisfy some of my Nigerian viewers. Okay, so please, if the video does not give you what you need, that fast money you want, do not see my video to be useless because some people need this video to just learn about online jobs and how they can approach them. Okay, let me just not explain myself too much. So now let's try to create an account here. Let's see, because I've used up all my phone numbers, so I don't know which one I should use now because they also demand number. Okay, but I think no, the thing is that these are the options that you can use to create to local. Okay, so you can use your Gmail, you can use your LinkedIn. But I would advise people to use the LinkedIn. Okay, I will advise you to use the LinkedIn because logging in is simple, but Gmail can change. They have policies; they can just change their security and stuff, and to worry you. I've experienced that. That's what I'm saying. So the best thing you can use now is the LinkedIn. So try and use the LinkedIn to log in. Yes. So when you log in, they are going to, I mean, direct you to your LinkedIn account like this one. So you just enter your logins here and then to open up for you. Okay. Yes. So that's it. That's so that you see they're asking for the login. So you just log in and then you explore. You just look through what the project is about and how you can get the job. Okay, so yeah, so that's it for this video. This video was mainly done to introduce to local online jobs to you. Okay, please, I don't do I don't create account for people. I don't verify for people. And if you can see, I didn't use any US details for it. I told you, use your normal Nigerian details, or sorry, use your normal details to create the 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 account. Okay, and mind you, see, you are not seeing tax in my dashboard. It's because I'm from Ghana. Okay. Nigeria, India, Kenya is different because this you people are more exposed to tax more than Ghanaians. That's a true fact. Even in crown gen, Nigeria is more exposed to crown gen jobs than Ghanaians. You people mainly get jobs than us. Okay, so you seeing this that make you shouldn't it shouldn't discourage you from joining the platform. Okay, so please try your hands on it. Okay, it will be worth it. That's what I'm saying. And make sure you follow my channel every day because I'll be dropping gigs like this so that people can, get online jobs. Okay. So I hope this video will be helpful to anyone who is watching. This video is not made for fast money. Okay. This video is you're going to use your sweat and tears to get the money. This is not fast money. You're going to work. If you can see here, everything here, you're going to work for it. Okay. And please, I would advise you do not use any fake US ID just to enter into this. Their security is it will stress you out. Okay, their security is tough. So yeah. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this video is helpful to anyone who is watching. If you have any questions, make sure you drop it in the comment section or contact me on WhatsApp. And stay tuned for another online gig like this. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.